Hi everyone, my name is Sarah, and today I'll be guiding you through a relaxing yoga flow. Let's begin by sitting in any comfortable seat on your mat. Lengthen your spine and gently close your eyes. Place your hands on your legs and we'll take 3 cleansing breaths together. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your mouth. Take another inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. One more full breath in through your nose. And one more full breath out through your mouth. Seal your lips and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. Every inhale lengthens your spine, and every exhale grounds you back down through your legs. Focus on your natural breath. Start to flutter your eyes open and find your way into child's pose. Turn your knees out wide and send your hips back towards your heels. Reaching your arms out in front of you, place your forehead down onto the mat. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. As you breathe in and out through your nose, allow any tension to release from your body. Use your breath as an anchor to guide you back to the present moment. Allow any thoughts, any distractions to release from your mind. Take another deep breath in and another deep breath out. Begin to make your way into tabletop, keeping your wrists directly beneath your shoulders, knees directly beneath your hips. Inhale as you arch your spine, cow. Exhale, round your spine, cat. Take another inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Do a few more of these at your own pace, linking breath with movement. Inhaling for cow, exhaling for cat. Bring yourself to a neutral spine. Then lower down your hips, chest, and chin down to the mat. Flip over the tops of your feet and place your fingertips outside of your mat. Inhale as you lift your chest off the mat. Exhale, lower your forehead back down. Take another inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, dip your right shoulder down into the mat. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, dip your left shoulder down to your mat. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower down. Place your hands by your rib cage. Draw your elbows in and straighten out your arms as you lift your chest up for cobra. Exhale as you send your hips back towards your heels for child's pose. Press your hands down as you shift your weight forward, returning back into cobra. Exhale as you send your hips back to child's pose. Inhale as you shift forward back into cobra. Exhale to child's pose. Take another inhale, shifting back into cobra. Curl your toes beneath you and send your hips up and back to your downward facing dog. You can bend and straighten your legs to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. Find some stillness with your legs. Then bend your right leg, step your right foot between your hands, lower your left knee down to the mat, and bring your right foot outside of your right wrist for lizard. You can choose to stay here or lower down onto your forearms. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. Take one more deep breath in and one more deep breath out. Keep breathing here. Return your hands back to the inside of your right foot. Curl your left toes beneath you and step back into downward facing dog. Bend your left knee as you step your left foot outside of your left wrist. Lower your right knee down to the mat. Option to lower the forearms down here for your lizard. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. Continue taking deep breaths here. Return your hands back down onto the mat. Then step your right foot outside of your right wrist. Lower your hips down for balasana. Turn your toes out to the sides and place your hands at your heart center, pressing your triceps against your inner thighs. Place your hands down onto the mat and lift your hips up. Turn your toes inwards and bend your knees as you hinge at your hips for forward fold. Allow your head and neck to hang heavy. And take hold of opposite elbows and gently sway side to side. Breathing in and breathing out. Release your elbows. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Place your hands onto your shins for halfway lift. Exhale, hinge at your hips, forward fold. Press your hands down into the mat and step your left foot back. Lower your left knee down to the mat. Take an inhale as you sweep the right arm up to the sky for a twist. Lower your right hand back down and step your right foot back into downward facing dog. Bend your left knee and step your left foot between your hands. Lower the right knee down. Inhale as you sweep the left arm up to the sky for a twist. Bring your left hand down to the mat and step your left foot back to downward facing dog. Look between your hands. Send your right knee behind your right wrist. Lower your left knee down to the mat. Take an inhale as you lift your chest up. You can choose to stay here or walk your hands forward. Lower your forearms down or stack your hands on top of each other, allowing your forehead to rest on your hands. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. One more inhale. One more exhale. Begin to walk your hands in towards your body, lifting your chest up. Then plant your hands down and step your right foot back, returning back to your downward facing dog. Send your left knee behind your left wrist. Lower your right knee down to the mat. You can choose to stay here or lower down onto your forearms, stacking the hands on top of the other, resting your forehead down. Continue to breathe here, connecting with your breath. Start to walk your hands in towards your body, lifting your chest up. Then swing your right leg around you. Bring the soles of your feet to touch for Baddha Konasana, butterfly. You can choose to stay here with your spine lengthened, or you can bring your hands forward, allowing your spine to round, letting your head hang heavy. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in, another full breath out. One more full breath in, one more full breath out. Begin to walk your hands in towards your body, lifting your head up. Bring yourself to a cross-legged seat. Then stack your right knee on top of your left knee. Bring your right fingertips down to the earth, and extend your left arm up and over to the right. You can stay here or lower your forearm down and bring your left hand to the back of your head. Keep both hips grounded as you lengthen the left side body. Take a full breath in, full breath out. Return yourself back to center. Uncross your legs and stack the left knee on top of the right. Bring your left fingertips down to the earth and extend your right arm up and over to the left. Stay here or lower down onto your left forearm and bring your right hand to the back of your head. Lengthen the right side body here. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Return yourself back to center. Uncross your legs and bring your legs around you and lower down onto your back. Extend your left leg down and hug your right knee in towards your chest. Use your left hand to guide your right knee over to the left side and extend your right arm out to the side. Gaze over your right fingertips. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. Take one more deep breath in. And one more deep breath out. Return your right knee towards your chest and extend your right leg down. Bring your left knee in towards your chest. Then use your right hand to guide your left knee over to the right side. Extend your left arm out, gazing over your left fingertips. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. Continue to breathe here. Bring your left knee back in towards your chest. Bring your right knee in towards your chest. Hug both knees in towards your body. Grab the outside edges of your feet and bring your knees into your underarms for happy baby. And you can choose to stay here or gently rock side to side. Find some stillness here and return your feet back down to the mat. Bring your heels towards your glutes. Then take an inhale as you lift your hips up for bridge pose. You can choose to stay here or rotate the shoulder blades beneath you and interlace your fingers. Take a deep inhale and a deep exhale. Another full breath in. Another full breath out. Gently lower your hips back down onto the mat and extend your legs down for your final resting pose, Shavasana. Turn your toes out to the sides and allow your palms to face up. Relax your face, relax your jaw, and gently close your eyes. Start to bring gentle awareness back into your body, wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers, and then reach both arms overhead for a full body stretch. Then bring your knees in towards your chest and gently roll over to the right side, curling into a fetal position. And whenever you're ready with your eyes still closed, find your way to a seat on your mat. Once you find your seat, bring your hands to touch at your heart center, pressing your thumbs into your sternum for Anjali Mudra. Take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Give gratitude to your mind, body, and your breath for showing up today for your practice. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.